Hello viewers, DV Zealand presents NMMS exam preparation, SAT-46 video, Biology 8th video, Class 7 General Science, Chapter number 12, Reproduction in Plants. Question number 1. The most attractive part of any plant usually are. Correct answer, flowers. Question number 2. The important part of flower. Correct answer, all the above. Sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. Question number 3. The seat on which the parts of a flower are present is. Correct answer, thalamus. Question number 4. The lower ends of sepals are fused to form the green tube-like structure above thalamus in a flower is called. Correct answer, calyx. Question number 5. The funnel-shaped part of the flower formed with the fused petals is. Correct answer, corolla. Question number 6. The thin leaf-like structures that extend towards the petals of flower are called. Correct answer, sepals. Question number 7. The soft elongated structures attached to the petals are called. Correct answer, stamens. Question number 8. The bulb-like structure at the top of each stamen is called. Correct answer, pollen sac or anther. Question number 9. The fine whitish thread-like structure that attaches the anther to the petal in datura flower is called. Correct answer, filament. Question number 10. Stamens of the flowers are together called the male part or dash. Correct answer, androecium. Question number 11. The bulb-like structure seated right on the thalamus is called. Correct answer, ovary. Question number 12. The fine tube-like structure located just above the ovary is called. Correct answer, style. Question number 13. In the flowers, the style goes up ending in somewhat flat bead-like structure called. Correct answer, stigma. Question number 14. The whole structure from ovary to stigma in a flower is the female reproductive part or dash. Correct answer, pistil. Question number 15. All the parts present on the pistil together is called as. Correct answer, gynoecium. Question number 16. The small flowers in the bunch of a sunflower are called. Correct answer, florets. Question number 17. A flower that has dash or more whorls is called complete flower. Correct answer 4. Question number 18. Which of the following is not an example of a complete flower? Correct option cucumber. Question number 19. A flower in which any of the four whorls is missing is called. Correct answer an incomplete flower. Question number 20. Which of the following is not an example of an incomplete flower? Correct option hibiscus. Question number 21. A flower which has either stamens, androecium, or pistil or gynoecium is called. Correct answer a unisexual flower. Question number 22. A flower that has both stamens and pistil, that is androecium and gynoecium, is called. Correct answer bisexual flower. Question number 23. The small ball-like structure in pistils of flowers are called. Correct answer ovulus. Question number 24. The ovary of a flower develops into a dash while the ovules develop into dash. Correct answer fruit and seeds respectively. Question number 25. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as. Correct answer pollination. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next lesson. Thank you.